Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Vida Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is factors and multiples. Okay, so we have already completed our 4 chapters, that is numbers, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. So we know the concept of all these 4 chapters, and we also know some of the facts that is related to addition and subtraction, division, multiplication of all these things. We know the facts of that. So now we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, factors and multiples. Okay, so let me tell you that what are the factors? Factors એટલે શું? So factors is nothing but let me tell you that you know that how you will obtain the product. તમને લોકોને પ્રોડક્ટ કેવી રીતે મળે? પ્રોડક્ટ વર્ડ કયા ચેપ્ટરમાં તમે લોકોએ સાંભળ્યો હતો? Yes, product, we obtain the product by multiplying 2 digits. 2 digit નો multiplication કરીએ એટલે આપણને જે આન્સર મળે છે this 12. 2 6 we have multiplied 2 digit 2 and 6, so we get the answer 12. So 12 is our product. So these 2 numbers are the factor of the product. એટલે જે આ 2 numbers છે 2 and 6 are the factors. या product ના 12 ના આ 2 and 6 છે એ factors છે, right? So if I say that what are the factors of 12? 12 ના factors આપણે કરવાના છે, factors of 12. So first of all we will write the 12 તો કયા કયા tables માં આપણને આવે? The first is 1, 12s are 12, then 2, 6 are 12, 3, 4s are 12, right? So which digit comes over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and the number itself 12. So factors of 12, તમને factors પૂછે 12 ના તો કયા કયા factors આવે? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. કે 12 છે તો એ 3 4s are પણ 12 થાય, 2 6s are પણ 12 થાય and 1 12s are પણ 12 થાય. So these are the numbers which are the factors of 12. એટલે કે આ બધા numbers છે 12 ના factors છે કે આને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાથી આપણને આપણો પ્રોડક્ટ 12 મળી જાય. Okay, I hope that you are getting it clear, and this you have already studied in your previous grades also, that what are the factors and multiples. I hope that you are getting it clear. Now suppose if I am writing over here number 40. 40. So 1 into 40. 1 is a factor of each and every number. એક હંમેશા વાત યાદ રાખજો કે 1 એ એવો ફેક્ટર છે કે બધા નંબરનો એક ફેક્ટર આવે, કોઈ બી નંબર હોય. 1 is the common factor in each and every number. 140 is a 40. Then after 5 8s are 40, then 20 2s are 40, right? So what are the factors of 40? That is 1 5 8 2 20 and the number itself 40, right? So these are the factors of 40. એટલે કે જે બે ડિજિટને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાથી આપણને જે પ્રોડક્ટ મળે છે તો એ જે બે ડિજિટ જે છે that is the factor of that number. એ ડિજિટ એ આપણો ફેક્ટર બની જાય છે. Okay, I hope that you are getting it clear કે હું શું કહેવા માંગુ છું. Now some things which you need to remember, that is one thing which I told you, that 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 છે એ બધા નંબરનો ફેક્ટર હોય, આ મેં તમને કીધું. Then afterward, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. એટલે જે બી નંબરનો તમારે ફેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ કરવો છે, if as a example મેં તમને 12 કીધું, રાઈટ? તો 12 છે એ પોતાનો ફેક્ટર તો હોય જ, રાઈટ? આપણે કરીએ 12 6 નો ફેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ તો 6 1 જા, સો 6 પ્રોડક્ટ મળી, તો 6 જે આપણે નંબર છે એનો ફેક્ટર તો છે જ, રાઈટ? સો જેનું આપણે ફેક્ટર્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ છીએ સેમ નંબર એ પોતાનો ફેક્ટર તો હોય જ. Every number is a factor of itself also. So this is the second point which you are supposed to remember. Then the smallest factor of any number is 1. The smallest factor of any number is 1. એટલે સૌથી નાનામાં નાનો ફેક્ટર કોઈ પણ નંબરનો હોય એ 1 જ હોય always. Okay? Then after, the greatest factor of any number is the number itself. The greatest factor of any number is the number itself. So સૌથી એક તો સ્મોલેસ્ટ ફેક્ટર 1 હોય અને ગ્રેટેસ્ટ ફેક્ટર કયો હોય કે જે નંબરનું આપણે ફેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરીએ છીએ એ નંબર પોતે જ ગ્રેટેસ્ટ ફેક્ટર હોય, કેમ કે એનાથી આગળ આપણે ફેક્ટર્સ જવાના જ નથી. So that number will be the greatest number of any factor, any number itself. Then after, one common point, that is 2 is a factor of every even number. એટલે કોઈ બી even number તમે લ્યો છો, for example 2 4 6 8, any even number, તો એ even number નો 2 છે એ ફેક્ટર હશે જ. Any even number, 2 is a factor of every even number. બધા even number માં 2 એનો ફેક્ટર હશે જ. So these are the points which you are supposed to keep in mind. That is, 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. The smallest factor of any number is 1. The greatest factor of any number is the number itself. And 2 is a factor of every even number. So these are the points. If you want to note down, and note it down in your book, pause the video and note down. Okay, so I hope that you have noted down this in your book. Now let us solve the exercise so that we can get the better idea how to solve the exercise related to factors. Okay, so now over here what you are supposed to do, that answer the questions below and write the answers in the grid given. Look at the pictures given on the next page. Each answer has a that you are supposed to ignore. You are just supposed to see that you will write only answers. 7 and 4 are factors of 7 and 4 are factors of, તમને આવી રીતે આપ્યું છે તો અહીંયા શું લખશો? 7 and 4 are factors of, એટલે તમારે આ બેનું મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું તો આપણને એનો પ્રોડક્ટ મળી જાય. So you are supposed to find out the product. 7 4s are 28. Are the factor 7 and 4 કોના factors છે? 28 ના. And afterwards 5 and 6 are factors of 5 and 6 are factors of, so 5 6 are 30. Then afterward 4 and 9 are factors of 4 and 9 are factors of 4 nines are 36. Then after 5 and 9 are factors of 5 and 9 are factors of 5 nines are 45. Now the next one is 8 and 3 are factors of 8 threes are 24. So 8 and 3 are the factors of 24. Now 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are factors of 7 fives are 35. So 7 and 5. 5 and 7 are the factors of 35. Okay. Now let's see another sums. Okay, so now let's see the next one, that is 10 and 4. 10 and 4 are factors of 10 fours are 40. So 10 and 4 are the factors of 40. Then 7 and 3 are factors of 7 threes are 21. So 7 and 3 are the factors of 21. Now ninth is 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are factors of 3 nines are 27. They are the factors of 27. And 4 and 11. 4 and 11 are factors of 11 fours are 44. So 11 and 4 are the factors of 44. So in this way you are supposed to find out the product. Over here we have find out the product. But એવું भी બની શકે કે તમારે factors find out કરવાના આવે, right? Then afterward there will be તમને factors તમને આપ્યો છે, factor find out number આપ્યો છે, and you are supposed to find out the factor of that number. And how will you do that thing? So as I have explained you કે તમને લોકોને if 25 is the number and you are supposed to find out the factor of 25. Okay, so first is 1 into 25. Then afterwards 5 fives are 25. Okay, so these are the factors of 25, that is 1, 5 and 25. 1, 5 and 25 are the factors. Ek the number itself is the factor, then 1 is a factor of every number and the other one is 5. So in 1, 5 and 25 are the factors of 25. So 1 is the smallest factor and 25 is the greatest factor. So in this way you are supposed to find out the factor. Now let us look at another exercise, that is tick yes or no. You are supposed to tick mark if it is yes or no. Is 8 a factor of 32? Is 8 a factor of 32? 8 છે 32 નો ફેક્ટર છે, તો તમે યાદ કરો 8 4s are 4 8s are 32. So yes or no કે 32 ના 32 નંબરમાં આપણને 8 ફેક્ટર મળે છે? Yes, we got the factor 8. So our answer is yes. Now The next is 9 a factor of 45? Is 9 a factor of 45? So 9 એ 45 નો ફેક્ટર છે. 5 9s are 45. So yes, 9 is a factor of 45. Then afterwards is 8 a factor of 8? Is 8 a factor of 8? કે 8 છે એ 8 નો ફેક્ટર હોઈ શકે? સો મેં જે તમને ઓલા જે પોઈન્ટ્સ જે ફેક્ટ્સ કીધા હતા કે number itself is also a factor of itself, કે every number is a factor of itself. બધા નંબર પોતાનો ફેક્ટર હોય જ છે. સો yes, 8 is a factor of 8. 8 છે એ પોતાનો ખુદનો ફેક્ટર હોય જ. So our answer is yes. I hope કે તમને લોકોને માઇન્ડમાં ક્લિયર થાય છે કે what is factor and how you are supposed to solve this thing. But if for this it is very much compulsory that you should know tables. તમને લોકોને tables આવડવા બહુ જ જરૂરી છે to know this thing. Okay, now let's see next. That is 1 a factor of 5? Is 1 a factor of 5? 1 છે 5 નો ફેક્ટર છે. How can you say that? Yes, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 એ બધા નંબરનો ફેક્ટર છે. So our answer is yes. Then after 5th is 2 a factor of 11? Is 2 a factor of 11? So by reading this only we come to know કે 2 છે is a factor of every even number. કે even number હોય તો 2 એનો factor possible છે. Otherwise it is not possible. Odd numbers હોય તો એમાં 2 is not possible that it can be a factor of that number. In case of odd numbers, right? So here 11 is odd number. So 2 cannot be a factor of 11. એમનામ જ તમને જોઈ ખબર પડી જાય because 11 છે odd number છે. If અહીંયા 12 હોય તો it is possible કે 2 છે એનો factor હોય. But odd number છે, so there is a 2 is not a factor of 11. So our answer is no. Okay? Okay. So in this way you are supposed to find out the factors of the given numbers. And if say that this number is the factor of this, then you can identify that. Okay? So today what we have learnt about factors, right? That how you will get the factor, that a product is the number. Product એટલે કે બે નંબરનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરીને જે આન્સર મળે, that is our product, right? So multiplying two numbers together, that two numbers is our factor. Then after we have understood some points to be remembered, some facts we can also say that related to factors. That is 1 is a factor of every number. 1 છે એ બધા નો factor છે. Then every number is a factor of itself. કે આ number છે એ ખુદનો પણ એક factor છે જ. Then afterward the smallest factor of any number is 1 and the greatest factor of any number is the number itself. And 2 is a factor of every number. 2 છે એ બધા even number નો factor હોય. But here we have seen over here also that 11. So 11 and 2, the 11 is the odd number. So 2 cannot be the factor of 11 because 11 is odd number. અહીંયા જો even number हो तो 2 can be the factor of that number. But here it is odd, so it is not possible. 2 is a factor of every even number. Okay, so these are the things which we have learned, and I have also explained you some exercise that how to solve. Okay, And I will also send you the worksheet which you are supposed to solve it in your book. And still if you have any doubt, if you have not understand anything, then see the video again. એટલે કે આ વિડિયોને પાછો જોવો, બહુ ધ્યાનથી જોવો. By seeing it carefully, you will be able to solve the exercise by yourself. વિડિયોને ધ્યાનથી જોવો તો if you will just move it forward at the video, then it will be tough for you to solve the exercise. Okay, so see the video properly, and still if you have any doubt, watch it out again and again, and your doubts will be cleared by yourself only by watching the video again and again. Okay, and the worksheet will be given to you which you are supposed to solve. So this was all about today's session. Okay students, so till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.